Let me say something that may shock you. Most educated, high-income professionals in Kenya will never succeed in real estate. Not because they lack money, not because they lack intelligence, but because they have believed a lie. And that lie is quietly costing them years and sometimes even decades of financial progress. You see it every day. Someone earning 300,000, 500,000, or even a million shillings a month, driving a good car, living in a good house. But if that income stopped for 3 to 6 months, everything would begin to fall apart. And that's not financial security, that is dependence. In this video, I'm going to break down the biggest lie about real estate investing and, more importantly, show you the exact shift that allows professionals like you to build real income generating wealth without quitting their career, without becoming a developer, and without taking unnecessary risk. Hello, my name is Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I have worked with professionals across organizations such as Safaricom, Citibank, Unilever, BAT, and many others. And I've seen this pattern again and again. Smart people, disciplined, high income, but completely stuck when it comes to building assets that actually produce income. They're doing everything right except one thing. They are following the wrong strategy. Now, if you want structured guidance on how to move from income to real financial independence, I'll show you exactly how at the end of this video. And if you find this valuable, subscribe and share it with somebody who needs to hear this. Let's jump right into it. The lie that most people believe is this: to succeed in real estate, you must either build property or buy one apartment at a time. Now, think about it. That's what you've been told, right? Buy land, build slowly, or buy one apartment, then another, then another. It sounds logical, it sounds responsible, but it's also completely wrong. This lie is dangerous because once you believe it, it shapes your decisions, and worse, it limits what you think is possible. Let's break it down. Option number 1, build from scratch. This is what many professionals aspire to. Let me buy land, then develop apartments. But here is the reality. You need significant capital upfront, and getting financing is tricky. Construction takes time, often years. Costs are unpredictable. You have no income during this process, and there is no guarantee that the final product will perform as expected. For a full-time professional with a demanding career, this is not just difficult, it is misaligned with your life. You are trying to run a second full-time job without the time or the structure to do it well. Option 2, buy one apartment at a time. Now, this is the more common path. You save, you buy one unit, then maybe after a few years, another one. But here is what most people don't tell you. You are buying at retail price. Your returns are already compressed. You have one tenant, and that creates a major risk. Vacancy is equal to zero income. So what happens? You feel like you're investing, but your income is inconsistent. Your returns are weak. Your progress is slow. In many cases, you're not building wealth. You're just owning property. Let me take this a step deeper and show you the hidden problem. Both of these approaches have one thing in common. They focus on the property, not the income. And that is the mistake. Because financial independence does not come from owning property. It comes from owning reliable income streams. Here's the truth. the shift that changes everything. The real opportunity is this: buying existing multi-unit rental property from motivated sellers below market value with established cash flow. This is a strategy that changes everything. And this is not theory. This is exactly what has worked consistently for my clients over time. Let's break down why this works simply. When you acquire an existing multi-unit building, the tenants are already there. The income is already proven. The expenses are visible. The performance is known. This removes uncertainty. And then something powerful happens. The bank can finance the property based on its income. And most importantly, the property can carry itself. This is the breakthrough idea. Once you have paid the deposit, you are no longer relying on your salary to fund the investment. The asset funds itself. And that is the shift that most people never make. Here is a simple way to think about it. You're not buying property, you're buying an income stream. Once you understand that, everything changes. You stop asking, can I afford this? Is this too expensive? And you start asking, does this asset produce enough income to sustain itself? That is how investors think. This is a real perspective shift. Let me give you a simple comparison. Take two professionals. One owns 3 apartments. Another owns a 20-unit building. Both at the same cost. Who is in a stronger position? The second one. Why? Because income is diversified across tenants. Vacancy risk is reduced. Cash flow is more stable. Financing is more efficient. It's not about quantity, it's about the structure. Over the years, I've helped clients completely transform their financial position, not by working harder, not by chasing more income, but by acquiring the right type of asset. Because once you own income-producing property, you're no longer fully dependent on your job. And that changes everything. Your stress reduces, your options increase, and your long-term financial security improves. Let me ask you something. Have you ever thought about investing in real estate, but felt like it's too complicated, it's too expensive, or you're just not clear where to start? Let me know in the comments. Now here is the reality. Most people don't fail because of lack of effort. They fail because they follow the wrong strategy. They spend years saving, planning, thinking, but never actually building income-generating assets. If you want to understand how to do this properly, step by step, in a clear and structured way, then I have created a free training for you. How to acquire a 16, 24, or even 48-unit apartment building. In that training, I will show you how to identify the right properties, how to structure financing, how to move from where you are to owning a real income-generating asset. The link is in the description below. Please watch it now. If you found this valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with somebody who needs to hear this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.